let me know if you can hear me. We should be good to go. Let's see. Let me make sure it's appearing. Oh wait, I'm on literally the wrong account. Here we go. Okay, cool. Hi everyone. Welcome to the surprise live stream. So, I was kind of bored and I didn't know what I wanted to do. So then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna work on Act 2. And then I realized that I've been stuck making something, and it's this like, well, I have to remake it because I've broken it in the past. But so I was like, you know what, I'll remake it and it'll be fun, and then I'll do it on the live stream so you guys can see like why Venge is taking so long, like the amount of time it takes to do literally anything. So, first things first, I'm gonna open up, let's open up Blender, and I have to like, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna be designing a system for Lucy for Act 2. And I think it'll be enjoyable. So, actually I didn't even make sure you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Oh, okay, cool. You can, okay, cool. So, here's what the system is. So, while Unity opens here, basically, one of the ways that I can move Lucy around is with, she follows a path, right? A predetermined path. And that's all nice and stuff, but it can be a little bit tricky, and like the way that the system I've coded right now is extremely difficult to work with. So we're going to be recoding it today, and I'm going to be showing you how I do such a thing. So first things first, I'm going to like design it. So if we have like a path, let me choose a better color. Hold on a second. So let me choose like a green, or no, a green like that. Okay. So this is Lucy's path, right? This is the path that she, well, let's start by like, let's draw like a house, right? So it'd be like this, right? Just like that. Maybe she has a hallway here, just like this, okay? And then like that. And like, actually she can't go past here either. So we have like this little, you know what, let me just restart this. This is so bad. So she has like a hallway, right? And it goes like this, and then like that. And then there's like a wall here and here. Maybe there's like an obstacle in the middle. So her path, for example, might look something like this. So she starts, oh, I didn't mean to do that. So she'll start right here, and then she'll kind of go down, and then she will walk down here, and let's say she'll walk around, right? She walks around the table and then goes out this way. So that's nice, but it won't be like very, it is not very useful, because what if I wanted her to stop right here at dialogue, and she stops right there, says the dialogue, and then continues moving? Or what if, here, actually let me draw some markers. So let's say we want her to stop right here and do some dialogue. Let me write that down. Dialogue. I spelled that wrong, but whatever. And then maybe after 5 seconds of going there, then she'll move over to here, and then she'll go here and do more dialogue, but then she'll slowly inch her way towards us like this. And then she stops right here. And then she waits for us to, I don't know, she waits for us to flip a switch right here, which will make her walk over and then continue walking down the path, right? That's something reasonable that we can expect, something that we want, a system that we want, right? So we're going to be designing this. And hopefully that makes sense. Does that make any sense at all? Hopefully it's fun. But honestly, we're just going to get right into it. So Unity is not open yet, so I guess we'll just wait. So how have you guys been? Let me look in Discord. Someone pinged me and told me to look in Discord. Oh, I love that. Someone made a new boss design. Look at this. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. You're 3 minutes late to the stream? It's all good, don't worry. We are just gonna be streaming a chill stream where we just code and we have fun and we chat and stuff. Nothing crazy. So let's start designing the system. So Unity is open here, and you can see, oh my gosh, I have a convenient green path right here. How awesome, how convenient. But this isn't what I want, because this is not like ideal conditions. So what I'm gonna do instead is, I believe I have a debug version of my scene. So what you guys don't know is you have like the main, you have like the act gameplays. Well, I also have a bunch, look at all these scene files of just debug scene files. And they're all packed within the game. But yeah. How long did Lucy's house take to model? I've been working on this house for probably about 2 to 3 years. It has taken forever. I think it's this one. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, no, oh my gosh, hold on a second. Hold on, there's a little spoiler for something I have to get rid of. You know what, we're just gonna make this, we're gonna make a brand new Lucy testing area. Lucy 2.0 testing. Wait, or maybe it's called Lucy 2.0 testing, hold on. I don't want you guys to see what I was working on. Okay, cool, this is the scene, okay. Cool, so, wait, hold on. Let me make sure. There's something with Lucy's model that I do not want you guys to see. Okay, cool, we're good. So, here's like a little dummy version of the game. And you may notice that there's no player and there's nothing. There's just Lucy. So, and this is designed to test around Lucy and make sure that she works. Let me actually make sure that this is like the proper version, because this actually does not look like it's right. You know what? Let's just restart this, because like honestly, this is so confusing already. I just barely started the stream and I'm already confused. We'll go Lucy, and then we'll go here. Let's create a new scene. Lucy path testing. So Venge is gonna be, there's gonna be Act 0, Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, and then I think I'm gonna skip Act 4 and go to Act X. But yeah. Yeah, don't worry, Venge will one day be finished. I'm pretty sure of that. I work on it whenever I can, but sometimes it gets a little tricky. Okay, so here we go. Where's my grid? There we go, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna create a very basic map here. Just like that. Let's give it a texture. What should we give it? Let's give it the fire texture. Actually, that'll be a little confusing. Let's do this one. Okay, cool. So then what we're gonna do, your models look really high poly, is it just the textures? Yeah, it's just a lot of clever texturing that allows me to do that. Wait, where's my, I swear, oh here, curve, okay. So we have a curve here, and this is a curve that like represents, oh, so it's like gonna be the curve that Lucy follows. And so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna like build a very simple curve like this, and we're gonna have it crossover, and then we're gonna have it loop like that. Cool. So just like so, and then we want Lucy to follow the curve, right? So what I'm gonna do, oh, this is actually underneath the ground. We don't want that. Let's raise it up above. Where's the main? Where's the main? Oh my gosh, can I not raise this? Urgh. Why is this not letting me move it? What in the world? Whatever, I'll just move it manually. Okay, so we have this, right? No, I just grabbed a thumbnail really quickly. There's no boss fight today. I just grabbed a thumbnail that I thought looked pretty, because I was in a rush. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go Act 2, and we're gonna, oh gosh, hold on, this has the spoiler. Hold on, let me quickly get rid of this, because this is gonna be very confusing. Okay, there we go, we're good. Here's Lucy. She's a little bigger than I hoped, but that's okay. We can always scale her down. Just like that. And then what we're gonna do, actually let's get her like on the level. Well, let me move this camera up so we can see her. Was she wearing jeans? No, it was just a texture glitch. Sometimes when I import Lucy, a texture glitches out like that. Okay. So we got a nice view of Lucy. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is, oh wait, no, I don't even have to do that. Wait, how do I, oh, you know what? I have to go here and import her as a full-fledged character model. Characters. I have to hide the screen because she's gonna appear like she does too. There we go, now she's fully added into the game. And then I have to get rid of that. Okay. Here we go, so here's Lucy. Pretty cool. So now what we're gonna do is in her body, we're going to add, right here. Where is... She should have a master controller somewhere. Ooh, nice, nice. That'll be cool. So then what we're going to do is add Act to Lucy Script Manager. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So, but this relies on... To be honest, I don't even think we need that. We'll try it out. So, Act 2, Lucy, Path Debug. Right here. So then we're gonna open up this. Does Lucy have any relatives? Not that I know of. Here we go. Oh, there goes everything. All hidden away. Hold on. I have to reopen everything. Okay, so once it loads, cool, let's open up the script. And here we go. So this is like a debug Lucy thing, so then we can go Act 2 Lucy to override that. And then we are good. So let's ask for a coaster curve. Curve. And then how do I do this? I've been coding in Java so much that I forgot how to. I do virtual. This should show me all the. Wait, how do I void? How do I like implement functions? Hold on. It's abstract. I think I have to say abstract. No, I just go public virtual void on ready. Maybe I have to say public too. What was your question? Where do I work? I work on YouTube. Public virtual void on ready. Why is it not working? Void on ready. Did that work? I do not know, because this is not working. Hold on, let me look at another example of. Let me look at one of my Lucy controllers. Here we go. How did I do it with this one? Oh, here we go. Override void. Oh, override void. There we go. So then we go. I have to override void. There we go. On awake. Let's do on awake because this is gonna be a lot easier. Venge's biggest inspiration? I'm not sure, to be honest. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we just say follow, and then we give it the curve. That's all we have to do to get this thing working. So cool. So now, once Lucy loads into the game, here, okay, nice. And then we just have to give it a curve, which we've already made. So now, if I hit play, it should work, but I don't think it will, because I think I'm forgetting something. Oh, it literally works, cool. So you can see, Lucy is properly following the curve. And you might be like, but she's not like looking at the curve. And that's okay, all we have to do here, to make her look at the curve, is we just go track to, or update. How do I follow? Hold on, curve. Oh, we go. Let's curve. So we do that, and then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go auto set auto. Where's her set dynamic walking? Here we go. Let's set that to true. So then you'll see, with just a few lines of code. Someone else can do it. Reach underneath. They are gonna fit through there. Told you. Okay. So now, boom. She should be. Look at that. Automatically walking. I mean, it's a little glitchy. And I think that's just because the curve is too think we raise the curve to fix it. Yeah, there we go. Cool. And there's some weird nonsense going on, but I think it's because I haven't set it up right. But, you know, whatever. We're not going to have dynamic walking because we don't need it. But, there we go. So, oh, wow. I mean, that's interesting. Is that procedural animation? Yes, it is. It is 100% procedural. Okay, so we have Lucy. She's properly following this curve. So that's just like basic setup, right? There she goes. Properly following the curve. And having a fun time. Let me actually raise the curve a bit so that she's, just for like convenience sake. Just to make it a little bit easier. To not, there we go. I mean, one of her legs is doing a little weird, but whatever, it doesn't matter. We're not here to fix that. So now is the tricky part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a component to this curve called act2 Lucy curve modifier. And what this is gonna do is this is going to make it so this is going to be the thing that like controls how Lucy interacts on the curve. And let me try to think of how we could do this. So let's look into her code and see where we can insert this at. Okay, so what if we did this? So, oh, oops, let me change that. Let me update that. Coding Lucy. I always forget to change these tasks. Here we go. So, what if we had a method called void can continue curve, which is a boolean. Let me make this bigger. Oh no, it's just bool. We have can continue curve. Let me just return false. And then what if we have another thing called public boolean, public float get curve speed influence, like that, right? And then this will just return one. So what we're gonna be, so this method should be called every frame, and it will ask if we are able to continue, if we should keep continuing on the thing. And maybe we can provide some points. So let's say time float position flow, and then we'll just, you know, let's just give the curve like that, and then we'll do the same thing here. So then what this thing will do is you know, okay, check if points continue or wait. I could simplify this. What if I just got rid of this? Get curve influence speed influence. So what we could do here is instead of like starting and stopping, we could just ask for the speed. And if we want Lucy to stop, we just set the speed to 0. Boom. There we go. Okay. So every frame ask to see if, oh, I haven't updated the widget. I'm so sorry. I just like joined in randomly. Hi, welcome to the stream. Every frame ask to see if to set Lucy's new speed. Okay. I will do it as soon as the stream ends, I promise. And I know how GitHub works too, so I should be able to like do that a lot better. Okay, so this works. This works great, but now we have to go into Lucy's code and make sure that she actually respects this. Which is not good object-oriented design, but whatever. You know, it's fine. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't remember how any of this works. So what we're doing is we're updating the time on the curve. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comment all of this out because this is all irrelevant. Okay, so override curve mode. What does this do? Oh, okay, okay. Well, you know, we can keep this in. So let's have this. Let me add some comments. Here we are. Manually, okay. And then if not, then what we're gonna do is this iterates the path using this movement speed. Okay. So float movement speed is equal to movement dot speed. Oh wait, it's, oh, okay, cool, cool, cool. So what's this being set by? Oh, okay, easy. So then what we'll do, hi Ryan. So then what we'll do is, oh, watch, 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 here we go, here we go. So when we ask, oh gosh, what's this? What does it mean, point is missing? What? Where's this being created? Oh, it's right here. Wait, what? Oh, I see, I see. Okay, well, we don't need this. Let's get rid of this for now. Because, should you watch or you should watch? No need to sleep. Haha. Okay, so what we're doing, right, is, when a follow, this code is kind of messy, but it's fine. So, hold on, let's look in the movement class here. What we need to do, what is this movement modifier? What's that? Oh, okay, that's fine. So, when we create a new movement here, there should be, haha, here we go. So let's change this. Oh, wait, no. Okay, so I can either make it simple but break everything that I've done already in Act 2, or I can make it complicated and not break everything. You know, I'm gonna keep it complicated because I don't need to be breaking everything. So Act 2 Lucy curve. You know what? No, 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 no. We're abstract here. We're fancy here. This isn't going to be a Lucy curve modifier. This is going to be a curve modifier. We're going to make this work for anyone. Anyone is allowed to use this. You know? This is what we're going to do. Okay. Which, I mean, if I'm going to be honest, if I really want it to be like object oriented and stuff, I probably should have the like code to follow the script be its own separate thing, but whatever. So hold on, let me rename this file. Rename script. We're gonna call this script curve script or curve script modifier. So yeah, rename that. Cool. Okay, here we go. So this works for anyone. Wait, what's going on in the chat? I'm literally not even reading the chat. I do not know if when it'll come out, to be honest. I am very busy with a whole lot of stuff, but I want it to come out as soon as possible, don't worry. Okay. So in her movement, which this really needs to be broken down, but honestly at this point I don't even think I need to. I'm kind of over doing all the different versions of her body. But there's like over 1,000 lines in her script, which is fine. It's not ideal, but it's fine. Okay, so public coaster curve. Wait, where'd it go? What? No, don't open that. Ah. Coaster curve script modifier. Oh my gosh, it's not even in the script folder. Hold on. I am popping off today. You guys have no idea. Where was I? Here we go. Coaster curve script modifier. Can you heal Lucy if she gets damaged? Possibly. I guess we'll have to see. So the way this gets set is whenever a curve gets set to be followed, it will automatically try to attach the script modifier to it. So we're just gonna do the exact same thing. So, okay, cool. Cool, okay, cool, we're good. So, now, yeah, I'm not gonna rush Venge. I'd rather have Venge take 10 years than to rush it. Because, you know, you guys deserve a good game. Here we go. It's up here. Okay, back to where we were. So now what we're gonna be doing is after every tick. You know what? Let's actually add in. Here we go. So this just smooths out the current path influence, and then we're gonna say if what we're gonna be saying is if the movement dot script modifier is not null. So basically, if the script modifier, if we're using a script modifier, then our goal path influence is gonna, oh, watch this, ready? Boom dot get boom, nice. Boom. Okay, perfect. Okay. So what we're gonna do is path iteration and then movement dot curve. Cool. Look at that. And that's all the code we need to do. That's actually all we need to do. So I should probably uncomment all of this stuff because, you know, probably is useful. Well, we actually just need to uncomment all of this. Let's get rid of that. Deprecated. Literally. Okay, then I have to go and add this stupid thing, and it's act to or Lucy curve script modifier dot point. Okay. So, okay, cool. Now we're good. So this should not break anything. Let me just like make it really obvious that all of this is deprecated and that I should not use it and I should get rid of all of this code as soon as I can. Except for this. This is actually useful. So I should probably, I'm gonna put this up here. Cool. Remove the follow if the curve is over. Handle script modifiers and then okay, cool. So now if I go into where is it? No, wait for it to assemble. Yes, welcome to the stream. I'm so happy to have you. So then we're gonna go here and actually go to the curve here and open this up. Cool, awesome. So what we're gonna do, system.out, oh no, this isn't Java, print time. Let's just have it print this. So if this works, then it'll be buttons like call loose, yeah, something like that. So if this works, then we should get a message every time, every frame that Lucy moves on the curve. And let's see if that worked. Boom, look at that, we do, awesome, okay. And this properly gives us the percentage she's complete on the curve. Awesome, this is great actually. Alright, you harass me if I don't get it updated. Look at this is actually great. We are coding flawlessly today. So then once she finishes the loop, she should, once she finishes the loop, then it'll reflect back to 0, hopefully. And I'm actually curious what's gonna happen when it loops, because I don't know if I've ended up fixing this. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. It works fine. Although that is particularly concerning, but whatever, you know, it's fine. Okay, cool. It is almost like a Hello World program. It is. Yes, Lucy's on the move. Okay, so cool. Now is where we get fun. So let's add a class under here, public class, and we will call this stopping point. So remember how in our diagram here we had a bunch of stopping points right here, and each of them like did different things, right? So here's my plan. Here's what I think we should do. So we're gonna need a custom inspector for this, to be honest, but it'll be fine. Yeah, there might be first aid kits that heal. That'd be kind of cool, actually. Let's see. So, go back to Unity. Here we go. Okay, so a stopping point contains public float position. Position is needed. You saw the warden? Oh my gosh, you did? Oh, snap. I don't know where you saw the warden. Oh, right here. Yeah. That's because I was saying that, like, on my main channel, a lot of that audience won't click my videos unless they're FNAF videos. And so then I was talking to Ryan, and I was like, my warden rap is flopping so hard. It's flopping because, like, there's no FNAF in there. So I added FNAF to be funny. Anyway. So let's give the stopping point a name. Public string name. And we will also give it a color. And then that's like the main features that we need. No, wait, we do need public Unity event, Unity engine dot event, Unity events dot Unity event. Okay, cool. And I don't know what's in there, so we'll just leave it blank. On arrive. We gotta get rid of this type. And we're gonna go system.serializable, and then public list stopping point points is equal to new, and then we're gonna serialize field. Cool. So then what this is gonna do is if we go in here, we should see that give the player a gun at some point, maybe. We should see a list of points. Cool. So if we create a point here, we can give it a name, and it should reflect it there. So we're going to call this test1, and that'll be cool. Okay, so now what we're going to do, you know how to code? Ooh, that's awesome. Coding is definitely fun, you guys. I highly recommend it. Let's see. So then, here's my plan. So what we'll do from here is we need gizmos. Gizmos drawn. Yes, there'll be lots of interactions between Lucy and stuff. So gizmos dot. Well, first of all, actually no, we're fine. Draw cube. No, wait, we're gonna go for each stopping point, point, end points. So for each stopping point, we're gonna draw this thing to the screen. So we go point dot position, but we need to first. Oh, you know what? This needs require component type of coaster curve, and then we need a reference to that. Coaster curve, coaster curve, here we go. And then, oh, I literally am drawing it, I'm writing it outside of the brackets. And then what we need to do is on validate, and then on start, on awake. Void awake. Okay, cool. Then we're gonna create You know, we don't even need this, to be honest. What we're gonna do is if curve is equal to null. So if we have not assigned the curve yet, then quickly assign the curve. So get component, coaster curve. So then just like quickly grab this reference. And we're also going to do that on awake too. So this should work in the inspector as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go coaster, we're going to go curve dot evaluate, position, grab the position, divided by curve dot get length. There we go. What's Lucy's weakness? She's very crazy. And then finally we'll do gizmos dot color is equal to point dot color. Could we even do a name? Handles dot draw. Handle gizmos dot draw label. String? Nah, dang it. Okay, that's fine, whatever. We'll just have to go if Unity editor and if, and then using Unity editor so that doesn't crash whenever I try to build it. So then if we're in the editor, you know, actually for all of this, if we're in the editor, because we gotta, I don't want this to be called if you're running the game, because there's no point. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go handles dot draw text or label. How do I do label? Oh, here we go. Label position, and let me just do this here. Vector 3 position is equal to evaluate the position, just like that. Here we go, label, and then point dot name. Okay, cool. So this should draw what we want to the screen. Oh, we got an error. Compilation error. Oh, right here. Cool, easy. And when will Act 2 be released? I honestly have no idea. It might take a little bit. That's just because I'm working super hard on it and I don't want to rush it. Haha, here we go. So it's not drawing the box, but it's drawing the label. Oh, you know what? Because it's invisible. Right? There we go. Look at that. Cool. So this is obviously way too big. So new vector. Oh, it'll definitely be released by the time I'm all done. Cool. Just like that. And then maybe, honestly, we'll go... Yeah, it's fine. Let's see how this looks. Cool, cool. Let me make this color a little bit... Can I, like, go... Let me just create a new color with this, to be honest. Color. Point.color.r, point.color.g, point.color.b, and then for the alpha, we'll do like... That's all good, no worries. And then we'll go position, and we'll plus itself by the size of this. So basically what this is going to do is it's just going to draw the label above the cube. If I had to guess, it would be late 2023, yeah, for sure. Here we go. Cool. Oh no, that's too low. We'll do 0.4. Okay. So then just like that, boom, now we got a little thing here and it will properly draw on the line that tells us where we go. Cool. Awesome. Nice. So now what we'll do is, obviously if we run it right now, nothing is going to happen because Lucy has no code for it. What's one thing Lucy is not good at? She is not good at making food. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, hold on. Distance to player. not, then we'll just say vector at 0. Here we go. But a cool Easter egg for chapter 2 would involve, ooh, that would be cool. I'd love that. That'd be awesome. Here we go. Cool. So obviously Lucy's just completely ignores it because we haven't written any code inside of our point. So now what we're gonna do is gonna do a bunch of little modules. So public bool stop on arrive. Public float wait seconds. Stop on arrive wait seconds. Then I should be able to do read only unless enable on play, enable prop if, and then stop on arrive. I think that'll work. Let's see. Oh, this does not work. Why? Oh, well, that is an issue. You know what? We're just not gonna do that then. She can easily make dishes. True, true. Well, I feel like she'd somehow burn a salad, to be honest. I wouldn't trust her with any of that stuff. Here we go. Stop. Wait seconds. Now what we're actually. Is Lucy vegetarian? Nah, she's not. You know what? Let's make an enum. Public enum for stop point stop mode. Okay. You know what? Watch here. We'll just replace it with this. Stop mode. The first one is going to be no stop. What?
Are there yellow pillows in there?
Yeah?
Can you hand them to me?
Well, hold on. I'm doing something right now.
Well, I need them right now.
You don't need them right now.
I do, actually. I do need them right now.
Why?
Because me and Olivia are watching a movie and we need extra pillows.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm live streaming right now. Thanks for being. Then what? Then what? Okay. Anyway, here we go. Lucy, yes, Lucy hates minions. Okay, no stop, time delay, or script pass. Okay, and then and then we'll honestly go. Yeah, actually, that's all we need. Cool. So what this should do is cool. No stop, time delay. And then if this is time delay, then we should show the wait seconds. And if not, we don't show anything. And then what I'll do, public float leave influence, which is going to be just one. I'll call this leave point influence. From 0 to 2, we'll say. Here we go. Cool. And you know, honestly, we should have public float move at point influence is equal to 0 by default. And I guess we'll also give this a range, 0 to 1. And then I want to add subtitle actually, we don't even need a subtitle because I'm just going to be overwriting these all completely by hand. Just like that, I believe. Cool, cool. So, I'm also gonna add the editor into here, so, which I usually should not do, but honestly, I don't really care. Public class editor stopping point extends editor on GUI. Override on inspector GUI. Here we go. Okay. So then if I let me get stopping Trojan horse, yes. Stopping point is equal to stopping point target. You've heard it too much. What? Why not? This doesn't make any sense. I do not understand this error. You don't like Trojan horse? No. No. It's just overplayed. That's fair. I could remove it from the queue if you guys want me to. Should I? Let me go. I'll do it right now. Let's see. Let's see. Data, Coaster Games, live stream, music. I'll move it out so we won't have to hear it again. Trojan horse, out you go. Cool. Okay, cool. So I don't know why that's not happening. That's not working, but helper. Oh, I can't do that. Editor GUI layout dot property field dot serialized object dot find property. Hold on. And then name. Applied modified properties. Okay, cool. So if we do this. Here we go. Did it not work? Oh right, I forgot to set it up. So then I have to go custom editor type of stopping point. That should work. Cool. It did not. Why did it not work? What? I don't understand. Why didn't it work? Whatever. Oh well, we just won't do a custom editor because it's being difficult. So instead I'll just let me see if I can still whatever. So what I'll do is I'll header stopping, and then I'll add a subtitle. Stop mode is equal to time delay to wait. Cool. And then I'll add a header here for movement. Okay. Here we go. Cool. I want this to actually be underneath it, so actually this is fine. Watch. Oh, actually, I'm gonna just go. If stop mode is equal to time delay, just like that. And then it'll pop up and look a little bit nice. Cool. Alright, that works. It's not pretty, but it works. You'll be right back? Okay, cool. So then what we're gonna do is now we just have to actually code this. So, I'm trying to think. What would be the easiest way? Because this is gonna be updating every frame, right? So I want to avoid using a loop. Although, to be honest, a loop would barely be anything. So I'm gonna create a method called stopping point get nearest stop get next stopping point float time. So then what we're gonna do is stopping point. You're back with water? Yes. How was it? For entice 0 I smaller than points dot length or dot count points dot count I plus plus if points I dot position is smaller than time times, or no, wait, we need the position, which doesn't really change much, but it'll help. Times, if it's smaller than the position, then what we need to do is we need to, well, we just say point is equal to points I, and then we just return point. Actually, what we could do to speed this up a little bit, uses a font called Railway. If points I dot position, this is actually going to speed it up a little bit. Dot position is greater than or equal to point. Actually, we just can add an else. Else, then return point. Okay, there we go. So that'll go through all of our points, and this will get the next point. So then we can go stopping point is equal to this position. Ooh, go for it. It's equal to time times curve dot get length. Cool. So, does Lucy have a personality? Of course. She has a very strong personality. What's Lucas's weakness? Oh, Lucas? Yeah, Lucas does have a personality too, and Lucas just can't talk. That's his weakness. So, we also need to keep track of the last point. Stopping point, last point. Wait, how does this algorithm work? Because I want to make sure that I'm doing it right. Where's my deprecated code? Okay, here. How does this one work? So it sets it until the position is smaller than the chain. Okay. What is Lucas not good at? Talking and social skills. Okay, wait, this is actually wrong. So the way that I have this one coded is return point. Okay, so we don't even need this. All we just need to do is this. Just like that. So if the position is smaller than that, so this will just get the next point. Okay, points I, just like that, and then last point. If point is not equal to last point, then set last point is equal to point. Hello, welcome to the stream. And then we have a change detected. So what I want it to do is hold on, I have to draw this out because I'm getting confused by my own code. So if we have a line and then we need, I want to say, every Venge character has weaknesses and strengths. Some of them are secret though. Okay, so if it changes, then we want to use the last point. So actually we shouldn't set this yet. Okay, so then what we'll do is we'll go return last point dot wait, I'm so confused. Okay, wait, so hold on, I have to draw this on my whiteboard because I'm getting very confused. So if I have a line right here, and there's like this point right here, and this point right here. If Lucy starts right here, she should keep going until that changes. And then she should wait there. Okay, I think I got it. So then we're gonna go return point dot at point influence. Return 1. If point dot last if yes, there is a main villain for Venge. If last point is not none, then return last point dot leave influence. Okay. So what this will do now is as soon as it reaches a point, it's gonna stop forever. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see if this works. So I'm gonna add another point to test it out. I'm gonna call this one test 2, and we're gonna put this like way over here. Cool. All right, let's see if this works. So Lucy's going, and then she should stop. Oh, she stops immediately. Which is not what I want. But we'll just say last point is equal to get next stopping point position. Am I gonna have a main villain for Venge? Of course I will. It's gonna be, the main villain's gonna be epic. Here, public void curve launched. Curve started. We just gotta do that, okay. I'm so used to Eclipse that I'm accidentally doing the wrong keyboard shortcuts and stuff. It's kind of infuriating. If this dot script modifier, then this dot script modifier dot curve started. Cool. Alright, cool. So this should work now. What time is it? It's 6:30 for me right now. What about you? What about you guys? Hopefully this stream wasn't too late. There's like barely anyone here, and I think it's because of that. But oh no, they had frog legs. Ooh, perfect. See, so she stopped. It's 2 a.m. Oh my gosh. So I gotta stream earlier. Okay, so she'll stop forever. Cool, cool, cool. Awesome. Honestly, wait. I'm gonna make this even more cool. So you're gonna go to bed. All right. Good night. Public float at point stop time. So I think I could do this. So when it needs to stop. Where is my path code? It's all the way up here. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see, show public float get curve speed stop time. Float time, push to curve, okay. And by default, we're just gonna return, what is, delta time, I think. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Time dot delta time. Delta time. Okay, which is just the default. If I mean it's up to interpretation, I think. If that's like you know, like I haven't like designed the character to have autism, but like if you want to interpret him like that, then that's totally cool. Like whatever you guys want. Let's see, float time smoothing. Yes, it is. Smoothing is equal to time dot delta time. Okay. So then what we're gonna do is say movement dot script modifier. Oh gosh, that is so wrong. I would love it for it to come out on mobile, but I can't. I don't know if it will, or at least not yet. Get stop time. Path iteration movement dot. Okay, cool. So then this will just give us the current stop time. So then what we can do is we can use this stop time here. Is equal. If we just say -1, that'll work. Right here. So the main villain is the minion. Literally, they are the minions. Last point is not equal to null. And last point dot stop at point stop time is greater than -0.1, then we're just gonna return time dot delta time times last point stop. Last point dot at stop time. Okay, cool. This should work. So now we have the option to like make it stop a lot quicker. So I believe if this works correctly, I can say I want it to stop at 0.01 seconds. So I want it to very quickly stop it. Instantly stop. Let's see if this works. Nope, exact opposite. It made it take forever to stop. So what we actually need to do is divide. But this gets tricky because if at point stop time is 0, then that'll cause an error. So instead what we need to do is if last point at stop time is equal to 0, then return 1. There we go. Here we go. There we go. So now it should stop basically instantly. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. So then if I change this to 0, then it actually will stop instantly. So she goes and then boop. There we go. Cool. But then if I change this to like 3 seconds, then it'll, wait, no. If I change this to 3 seconds down here, then it'll take 3 seconds to stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a little bit more than 3 seconds, but that's kind of concerning actually. So what if I just did like 1 second? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's not exactly. It's a little concerning. Oh, that's awesome. That's super cool. How do I do this? What if I times this by like 3? For some reason, that's just how it's working right now, I think. I don't understand why it's not exactly taking the amount of time that I need it to. 1. Okay, that works. And then if we do like 5 seconds, it should take roughly 5 seconds. 1, 2, oh, that did not take roughly 5 seconds. Let me make sure that I'm dividing properly. Frogs are probably not her favorite. I think she loves cats, I think. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. It's good enough. I'll work on fixing that a little bit. I know why the issue is. It's because, like, it's a little... You know what, let me just, like... I'll just get rid of this. And then... stop time. It's not actually seconds. I'll just say it's the stop time. Which... Oh, my mouse just died. I knew it would happen eventually. Hold on. Gotta plug it back in. Wait, this isn't the plug for my mouse. Where is it? Hold on. My mouse plug went missing. Oh my gosh, it's in my car. I can't, my mouse died, so I can't like change the screen, so I'll be right back. Don't leave. It's in my car. Okay, I think I found something. I couldn't find the one that was in my car. But, let me see if this works. Yes, it does. Crisis averted. We're good. Here we go. Let me just loop this around my PC. Just like that. Cool. And then I can plug this in, I hope. Plug it down here. Cool, we're good. Back to business. Where's my headphones? Here we go. What were you guys saying about minions, huh? What were you guys saying? Okay, cool. So, what was the other features that I was gonna add? Oh, right. So, float stopped time is equal to 0. If, well, we need to check this first. If, Lucas is a furry? Oh, interesting. Point.stop mode is equal to, it's not equal to no stop. Then we don't want to actually stop if that's what we're doing. And last point dot stop. Okay, cool. So, but either way, here I'm gonna go bool first stop, like that, and then we're gonna go if first stop is true, and then we're gonna go point dot on arrive dot invoke. Here we go, just like that. Cool. So then the 21st may or may not be your birthday. Oh, that'll be fun. Then what we're gonna do, we should probably actually call it, let's call this first. Then stop time is equal to 0, and then if point dot stop mode is equal to time delay, then we're gonna go stop time plus itself by time dot delta, and then if stop time is greater than or equal to point dot stop wait seconds, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say last point is equal to point, which will free it, and then first stop is equal to false. If time delay, wait the right amount of seconds. This timer is done. Point. Okay, cool. And then what we're gonna do is return point dot leave time just for that frame. It'll be nice. Okay, cool. So, oh, there's errors. What are the errors? What's going on? I've broken something, I think. What? What do you mean? I'll pass through return. Oh. Was it just that? I somehow forgot a parentheses. Let me make sure that this is actually accurate. Okay, there we go. We're good. Crisis averted. Here we go. Nice. So then if I say time delay, and we're gonna say, oh wait, oh my gosh. It literally was working, I think. Hold on a second. So this should take 1 second to stop, right? Oh wait, it says no stop right now, so it's gonna be ignored. We'll just do time delay then. Which goes, and then it stops. 1, 2. Nope, just continues going. Why? Why? Oh my gosh, I broke it. Here, let me disable this. And false. Oh, oops, there we go. Fixed, problem fixed. We're good, we're good. No, what? Why did it not stop? And false. True, I definitely do not want to milk Venge. I would never. So this should stop. Why is it not stopping? What in the world? What in the actual world? What happened? Why is it not stopping? Oh, wait. We need to be referring to the last point. That's why. Okay, okay. Now we're good. Now we're good. This should work properly. There we go. Now we're good. Now we're good. So then it stops. Nice. Okay, that took about... Oh, nice. And then the time delay worked, I think. So... Let me try timesing this by 3 and still works. Still see if this works. So we go 1. Okay, cool. And let's do like 3 seconds. Your duck stepped on a bee. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that worked. That's roughly around 3 seconds. What about 10 seconds? I have to make this like a lot higher because I don't want it to do that. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. That's pretty good. We'll just change this back to negative or to 0. And let me add a subtitle because I'm already confused about that. So how should it take to stop? Oh, okay. Have fun. Cool, okay. So that is good, I think. Let me make sure the time delay works, which it should, but just double checking. So then if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go. I think I went a little fast. Did I? I couldn't tell. Let me try it again. And 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. There we go, okay. I was just counting too fast. Cool. So that seems to be good. So then if I change this to like 2, then she should take off really fast until she reaches the next point. So 1, 2, 3. Nah, it's not working. Or did it? No, I don't think so. Wait, no, it did. Did it? Let me try changing it really slowly. I noticed that it made this go super fast, which is super strange. That doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, that does not make any sense at all. But she'll get there. And, here we go. Okay, so it's not working. Here, you know what I'll do? I'll just go here. And I'll just go float, leave. This is just the testing pass, so we're just testing how things work to make sure that Lucy can properly, to make sure that Lucy is working nicely and stuff. But, return leave and things, which is usually 1, okay. Cool. Point dot leave and things. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Look, it says don't read out loud, okay. Yeah, sure, of course, go for it. I would love that. Thank you for the donation, Monkey Gal. That's so nice. Thank you. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Oh, sorry, it's gonna read it out loud. Oh.
Don't read out loud.
Here,
I
I'll
wanted
try
to
to read
know
it.
if we can add a route to.
There we go. Okay. There we go. I'll just wait until. Let me see if I can hide it. There we go. It's okay. It's hidden. There we go. Yeah, of course I would love that. That would be so cool. Go for it completely. That would be awesome. Okay, so this should wait 5 seconds, and then it should go off super slowly. I don't think that worked. Why? Oh, I know why, I know why. There we go. Boom, here we go. There we go. So then it waits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Awesome. It goes really slowly now. And then it'll creep and crawl. Perfect. This works perfectly. Okay, cool, cool, cool. What else do I need to add? Let me just double check that this like call function works. So if I just like go like this and then turn that off. So as soon as Lucy arrives on the point, she should instantly disappear. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. I think this actually works flawlessly. I think well, there's one more thing we have to do. Let's see. I'm making a FNAF fan game. Can I use her voice? Yeah, sure. Go for it. So now the next thing is, giving script permissions, right? So I should be able to call Lucy and say, skip to test number 2, right? And then she'll go and skip to test number 2. And actually, to be honest, that should be a function that we don't call Lucy, we call the... Yeah, okay. So that should be something we call the modifier. So, what I'm gonna do is to help save resources, as soon as we're gonna create a dictionary, which in Java it's called a hash map, of string and float. So, we're gonna call this cache point or name index. Actually, No, we don't even need this. Wait, hold on. Okay, so if we go public string current skip to past. Okay. So we got these methods working. And then what will it do? So go pub. Oh no, these are all events. So we should probably group them as such. Events. Like that. Cool. And then methods. Cool. So now what we'll do is we'll go public void set skip past string name. Okay. So the old system like used indexes and stuff, and it was extremely confusing and not fun at all. So this one is gonna be nice. It's gonna. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for it. So, well, oh, you know, honestly, what we'll do is just skip past is equal to name, right? And then in the speed influence thing, what we can do is say, first stop, yeah. Where's the thing that says, okay. And point dot name. Wait, no, so this is, actually this is a little trickier than I thought. Huh. Here, let me just add a property in here. Public int runtime index. That's just gonna be invalid here. And then we're gonna go item inspector. And then when the game is started, we'll go through for int I is equal to 0, I small u points, count, I plus. Okay. Actually, you know, no, we can't do that. So then what we'll do is points I dot runtime index is equal to I. Okay, cool. So then what we can do is instead of us, we go int. Okay, so and we just say this is -1. So then what we do, and point dot runtime index is bigger than skip past. So if we have 3 points, 0, 1, 2, then and skip past is 1, then it skips 0. Then it should skip 0 and it should skip 1. Okay, I think that'll work. And then all we need to do is say, we just go here and we just go for each stopping point in skip past, and just say skip. Oh no, not in points, and say skip past. If point, oh my gosh, point dot name dot equals name. So if they match, then skip past is equal to name. No, wait, skip past is equal to point dot runtime point.runtime index. Cool. There we go. So then if this worked, actually let me just set up something real quick. If this worked, then what we'll do is we will say set stop skip past. We're gonna tell it to skip past test2. Here we go. And then what that's gonna mean. Yeah, go for it. Try something new on your channel, explore around a bit. That's totally worth it. Okay, so we're gonna create a new one called test3. So if this worked, then what it's gonna do is we're gonna go time delay. We'll just say like, this one has like a 5-second delay. And then we're gonna say this one also has a 5-second delay. So there's just a bunch of points that have delays, right? So if this worked, Lucy should skip test 1 and test 2 and land on test 3. Let's see, so there she goes. She stopped. That is not slay. That's not a slay move. Let me print this out. Print skip past. Here we go. Let's see what this prints out. So this should print out 1. It does not. It prints out -1. Oh, I literally test 2. I didn't. There was a lowercase letter, so that makes sense. Now it's gonna work perfectly. Watch, it's gonna work flawlessly. Here we go. Skipped, nice, nice. Skipped? No, not skipped. Okay, it did not skip test 2, but it did do that one, but then it should. Okay, well it bugged out, so that's nice to know. But let's just add a 4th one because I don't want to deal with that bug right now. So I'll just call this one test 4 and move this over. Okay. Anyway, so then let's fix. Actually, let's not fix that bug. Let's fix the bug that caused this. So runtime index is greater. Oh, that should fix it, right? Is Lucy a performer? Nah, she's not a performer. She just does her own thing. Here we go. Okay. No, she skipped this one now. Let's try +1. Let's try that. How old are all the Venge characters? Most of them are in their 20s-ish. How long have I been streaming for? Almost 2 hours. So this should skip. It's not skipped. I have to do -1. Here we go. Skipped. Nice, nice. And skipped. Nice, nice. And stop. Boom! Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Is Doritos Helpsy's bride? Yes. Okay, and then this one causes a crash, so we gotta figure this out. Where's the crash coming from? Line 60. Oh. Well, it's probably because of this point. Wait, what is null? Okay, so this is not null. So then, and point is not null. Here, watch. Actually, it should not be not. It should be. The point is either null or it's skipped past. Hello, how are you? Cool, and then I think this actually should be last point. That. There we go. That should fix the bugs. Okay. So then, if I say this is like an index of that, okay, cool. Let's see. Nice, nice. I think she's going way too fast. Oh, no, never mind. I was like, it's working. No, it's literally not because I have it set to skip. No, none of the Venge characters like know any CPR or anything like that. Okay, good, good, good. And then she'll speed up again. Nice. And then this one will keep going. Oh, no, wait. Oh, right. That's good, that's good. Okay. And then this one should slow down, but stay at the level. Good. And then this one. Cool. And then she'll continue the loop. Awesome! This thing works perfectly. Yes, all Venge characters hate minions. If you want to be a Venge character, you have to hate minions. It's just the rule. Cool. This works great, actually. This is super awesome. So now I can, like, actually replace this in the game. We won't have any issues. So then she should just skip all over it because, yeah. Cool. This is awesome. Let's see. I think that's like all I wanted to get done today, to be honest. I'm pretty good with that. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of fun. What else could we do? I think we should save whatever we're gonna do next for another live stream. But I mean, that was kind of fun. Did you guys like that? A little cute little surprise live stream here to kick the day off or end the day, however it is. I think it was a pretty exciting thing. Make sure to join the Discord for I don't know what's going on in there, but like make sure to join. I'll send the link into chat, and then I will see you guys later. We're gonna do another live stream. I'm not sure when, but in a little bit we'll do another one, and hopefully it'll be fun. So I will see you guys